Phakathi kwaba badanisi be-breakdancing bangamashumi-20, isibini sabo ngabasetyhini, bebebonakalisa izakhono zabo ngeentlobo ezahlukeneyo zokudanisa. Olu khuphiswano lweRed Bull BC1 lwasungulwa ngo-2005, lukhula ngendlela emangalisayo. Emva kwemijikelo emine, izakuba ngamagqibela kankqoyi eKapa.
Breakdancing, it's been around South Africa since the 80s, and right now I feel like where we are right now as a country, even being exposed like the internet and all that kind of stuff, so we're not far away from the world and seeing like what are the trends and how far we are in terms of skill.
I'm excited because there's more B-girls here. There's only 2, but that's double the Joburg number. But everybody's looking good. I think they've been training. We've been in lockdown, so I think everybody's been putting the work, and it looks like we're going to have a good show today.
Abo bathe baqhuba kakuhle eKapa baza kudlulela kwitumente yehlabathi ePoland ngoNovemba. Thabo Daniels weendaba ze-SABC eGqeberha.